Hi everyone, Shumon here, living for technology and living with technology. Today I am going to show you my favorite top 5 Gmail tips and tricks that you have not seen before. That will make your daily Gmail work much easier, much smoother and much smarter. Yes, check each one and comment below whether that helpful or not. So let me open the Gmail trick box. Number 1. Undo send. My friend, suppose this is the message that I have typed and then I clicked on the send button and I have sent the message. The message is now just gone out from my mailbox. Now suppose I thought, oh my god, I just did a mistake, but the message is gone. Don't worry. From next time onwards, the message will wait for 30 seconds after clicking on the sending button. Let me show how you can do that. First, you have to click on this settings button, my dear friend. This is the settings button. You can see this is where I need to click now. I clicked on the settings. Now you have to click on this see all settings. And now a lot of settings options will come. Don't worry. Just check it out. This general tab. This is the general tab. And here in this general tab, see undo send. This is undo send and this is what send cancellation period is now set to 5 seconds. That means message is now also waiting, but it is set to 5 seconds. Maybe you have not noticed, but it was there for 5 seconds. Click on this option and now see all these seconds are available. Let me select 30 seconds and then move down or the scroll down of this page and now click on these save changes. Now the settings have been saved. Now my friend, this is the message. Again I have typed. Now suppose over here there is no thanks regards. Suppose I missed that, but I have not noticed. Now I clicked on the send and now my friend, look at this. Here I am getting one option called undo and this option will be there for 30 seconds. Now within 30 seconds I need to click on this undo. I clicked on undo and see it is saying sending undone. I hope that you can check it out. Here sending undone. That means now the message has came back. Now here, now I have typed thanks and regards. Now the message is perfect for sending and now let's send it. I have sent the message but still it is there because again it is waiting for 30 seconds. But this time I am not going to change anything, so I do not want to click on the undo. Just I need to wait for 30 seconds till the time the message will go from my Gmail and the Gmail or the Google will send this message to the recipient inbox. So this settings is permanent. Now next time onwards, whenever I'll send the message will wait for 30 seconds even after clicking on the send button. See my friend, now 30 seconds is over and the message is sent and there is no more undo option is available here. That means this time the message is already gone. This is good, right? Now my friend, let me open number 2 trick from my Gmail trick box, which is schedule send. What is that? Suppose this is a mail. Now I am going to reply of this mail, or it may be a new mail, no matter. Suppose I am going to reply of this particular mail, but I do not want to send the reply right now because right now suppose the time is almost 1 o'clock in morning. So what I want is I want to schedule this particular mail for now, but I am going to send it tomorrow at 10 a.m. How do you do that? Simply you drop the mail, and my friend, I am not going to draft the whole mail, just a sample part this is, okay? I hope you can understand. Suppose this is a mail body and next to that just come into this send part, click on this send and now click on this schedule send. And here the time already they have given, but I want to modify it, so I need to click on this peak date and time, this part. Let me click on that and I clicked. Now this is today. Now let me change the time. Let me change it at 10:00 a.m. right at 10 o'clock in morning, and then I click on this schedule send. See, schedule here, send scheduled for 10 a.m. Okay, now this particular message will automatically go out from my mailbox just at 10 a.m. today morning. Okay, I hope this will be helpful for you also. Okay, my friend, now let's open the third trick from my Gmail trick box, which is template. My friend, before going to the demo part of the template, you have to change one settings before using this template. What is that? You have to click on this gear option above. This is the gear option you have to click on. Once you click on this gear box, you will get this menu, and from here you have to click on this see all settings. Once you click on this see all settings, now different settings will come, and here you have to go for this advanced tab of the settings. And in this advanced tab, you can check it out. This is one heading called template. Here by default, it will be disabled. The disabled is selected. What you need to do is click on this enable and make it enable, and now click on save changes. Now see what is the difference. It will really save your time. In how or what is the way? See, I have received one message from WebGen India. What they are saying is that we have seen your profile in LinkedIn and please send your updated resume by tomorrow. I am going to reply this. So first click on this. This is a normal case or the normal reply. Now let me type the reply here. Now this is the thing that I have typed here, that is, thanks for selecting my resume. I really grateful, and I shall send my updated latest resume by tomorrow 10 a.m. Now my friend, see, before sending this, what I am doing is click on this triple dot sign, go to this template and click on this save draft as template, and here save as new template. Just I am repeating again, click on this triple dot sign, move to template, click on this save draft as template, and from here select this save as new template, and here you have to give the template name. So the template name I am giving as my reply for resume, and after that I clicked on the save button, and then I am just click on send. Now what is the benefit? Now see the benefit. Now see my friend, from placement Prokriya I have received one more mail. Okay, they are also asking for updated resume. Okay, what I want is I want to reply the same reply I want to give. Just click on this reply, and I do not need to type anything this time. How? Just go to this triple dot sign. You have to click on this triple dot sign as before. Now click on the template and now select template. And this is my previous one, and this is the last one that I have shown you. I'll click on this my reply for resume. I clicked on this my reply for resume, and see my friend, the message has been typed here automatically, and then just click on send. So in this way, instead of typing this message again and again for the recruiter, better I can use the template and I can use the save time in order to update your resume. Right? I hope it has benefited or it will help you. Right? So now click on send. The mail has been sent. Now I'll go to the next trick, the fourth one. Well, my friend, now let's start with the fourth trick, which is customize your address with dot or plus sign. What does it mean? My friend, whenever you are typing any email address, and if you put dot sign in between, let's suppose here I am putting dot in between placement and J08 just for better readability for my case. So Gmail ignore dot sign. This particular email address is related to placement. So that is why what I did is after placement, I just want to differentiate these two words with dot. No matter this email address is same as the previous one, and the recipient will receive this mail. No worry. That means in order to enhance the readability, you can put dot sign anywhere in your email address. Okay. So this is all about dot. Now what is the plus? So plus is something like this. This is very useful for my case, as well as I hope it will help for you also. Now just see. My friend, see, this is the mail that I am to send in response of the job application. So what I am doing is this is the email address. So this particular email address I have already typed here. Now what I can do is, see, I am just doing here just for your understanding. Now my friend, before @ I can put plus sign. Here I am writing applied job. What it will do, I'll show you right now. So this is the thing, just after email address and before @ sign, put plus sign and then type anything which is related to your mail. So why I have done this? Let me show you. See, the same thing I have typed here, and now I just remove this thing and let me reply. My friend, do not forget to place this thing. In my previous demo, I just missed this one. Well, now let me send this and see, there will not be any bounce mail. Message sent and no bouncing. See, let me click on this refresh, no bouncing. So that means mail has been sent properly. Now, what is the benefit? So let me show you. So here I have just moved to the send item and here I am searching for, just I have typed applied job and then pressed enter. See my friend, automatically this mail is now filtered or this is searched. So that means whatever the mail I have sent or for applying the job, and if I put plus applied job in email address, that means automatically I can filter it out like which are the company or which are the email address or which are the mail I sent in order to reply for the job. Okay, I hope my friend this is helpful and this will help to filter your mail from your lot of mail in your mailbox. Now let's move to the next one. Well my friend, now I'll move to the 5th one, which is dark theme. My friend, if you are working for a long in your Gmail inbox and if you want to give your eyes a bit break, or if you want to increase the readability of your Gmail page, then you can apply this dark theme. This dark theme settings is very straightaway, very easy. First, you have to click on this gear option here, which is settings. Now click on this settings option and just move down to this theme section. In this theme section, you will get all these themes. You can apply any one of them. But I want to click on this view all. And in this view all, as I have told, all these images are available. Say for example, I want to select this forest theme. Now click on this forest theme and now see forest theme has been applied. And here you can also change some settings or some style, like this is for text background. You can give some text in this wallpaper of this Gmail. And here you can give this style, or even you can blur the wallpaper or blur this background. But I'm not going to do all this. I want dark theme. So just scroll below and here you will get this dark option here. Just click on this dark option and now click on save. See my friend, now it has increased the readability and really it is soothing. I can read all the text very nicely and clearly. Also, this will save your battery life if you are working in laptop. So, I hope it is great, right? Okay friend, now I can see the video length has got quite long and I don't want to make it lengthy more. So, that is why I am just considering this 5 Gmail tricks as a part 1 of my Gmail trick box, and the next 5 Gmail tricks I'm going to upload in my next video, my friend. My friend, if you have still questions, follow my Instagram or comment in this video. I shall help you out. My friend, if you think it was helpful, please hit like, share and consider subscribe my channel so that I can understand you loved it. That's all for today, my friend. Let me prepare for the next useful video for you guys. Have a great day. See you in next video. Bye bye.